Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing well. So guys, today we will talk about the biography and success story of American singer, songwriter and actress Sheryl Crow. Who is Sheryl Crow? Sheryl Suzanne Crow is an American country singer, songwriter and an actress. She has won numerous Grammy Awards and has been a darling of the country music industry for many years. Now, she has had a magnanimous music career and released 8 studio albums, 2 compilations, and live album, and has sung many tracks for Hollywood movies like Tomorrow Never Dies, Cars, etc. She grew up in a loving and encouraging environment in Missouri, and her parents always supported her wish to learn music. She started to learn the piano at a very young age. By the time she was sure of what she wanted to do in life, she started giving background vocals for famous artists like Michael Jackson, Tina Turner, the Rolling Stones, etc. Her first album, Tuesday Night Music Club, became a huge hit and fetched her 3 Grammys and massive fan following. Her music is famous for a unique mixture of pop, rock, country, and folk in it. It is not just music that attracts her, but she has tried her hand at acting as well and appeared on television series like One Tree Hill, 30 Rock, Cougar Town. Her childhood and early life. Sheryl Crow was born on February 11, 1962 in Canton, Missouri, to Wendell and Bernice Crow. She has 2 older sisters, Kathy and Karen, and a younger brother, Steve. She began playing piano since the age of 6 and had a natural affiliation to music. She attended the Canton High School and later went to the University of Missouri, Columbia, in 1984. While she was studying at the university, she used to perform with a local band called Kashmir. In 1986, after finishing university, Crow started working as a music teacher in an elementary school in St. Louis. But shortly after that, she moved to Los Angeles. In LA, she recorded jingles for advertisements and worked as a backup singer. Career. In 1987 to 1989, Crow was a part of Michael Jackson's Bad World Tour and sang as a backing vocalist and often sang I Just Can't Stop Loving You with him. She also worked with artists like Belinda Carlisle, Stevie Wonder, etc. She sang in Steven Bochco drama Cop Rock in 1990. In the same year, she sang the song Heal Somebody for the movie Bright Angel and sang a duet called I Would Do Anything with Kenny Loggins for his album Leap of Faith. In 1992, she recorded a self-titled debut album with a record producer named Hugh Patcham, but it was never released, although some of the copies of her albums were leaked and she gained some publicity through that. Crow released debut album Tuesday Night Music Club in 1993, and the single All I Wanna Do became an unexpected high hit. It sold 7 million copies in America and the United Kingdom. She won 3 Grammy Awards for it. She produced and released her second album called Sheryl Crow in 1996, and she received 2 Grammy Awards for it. Singles like If I Makes You Happy, Home, etc. from the album became huge hits. In 1997, Crow sang a song titled Tomorrow Never Dies for the James Bond movie Tomorrow Never Dies. The song became an instant hit and was nominated for a Grammy Award and a Golden Globe Award in the category of Best Original Song. The Globe season was released in 1998 and won a Grammy Award. It was rumored at that time that the songs from the album were a depiction of her sadness over her failed relationship with Eric Clapton. In 1999, Crow made her acting debut in the movie The Minus Man, a suspense drama in which she starred with her then boyfriend. She also released Sheryl Crow and Friends, live from Central Park. Crow's fourth studio album, Seaman Seaman, was released in 2002, and singles from the album, Soak Up the Sun, became a huge hit all over the world. She received a Grammy Award for the album. In 2003, her greatest hits compilation, The Very Best of Sheryl Crow, was released. The album covered the hit singles from all of her albums that she had released until then. She also added a single in the album titled Light in Your Eyes. She appeared in the Cole Porter biopic called The Lovely in 2004, and a year later released her fifth studio album, Wildflower. It stood at number 2 on the Billboard charts, but received mixed critical reviews. In 2006, she sang a song for Disney's animated movie Cars, titled Real Gone. It was the same year when she was diagnosed with breast cancer. She gave her first performance in Florida, a few months after her cancer diagnosis. Crow sang Here Comes the Sun for the Bee Movie in 2007. And in the same year, she contributed in Chris Carr's book, Crazy Sexy Cancer Test, by writing a foreword. She also did the background vocals for Ryan Adams' song Too. In 2008, Crow released her sixth studio album, Detour, an album recorded on her Nashville farm. It debuted at number 2 on Billboard 200 chart. In the same year, she supported Obama for the US presidential election. Her seventh studio album, 100 Miles from Memphis, was released in 2010, featuring hit single Summer Days. In the same year, she made a contribution to the album Coal Miner's Daughter, a tribute to Loretta Lynn. In 2011, Crow sang a track titled Mrs. Major Tom in William Shatner's album Seeking Major Tom, and announced that she would write the music and lyrics for a Broadway called Diner, directed by Kathleen Marshall. Crow made a recording deal with Warner Music Nashville and released her latest album, Feels Like Home, in 2013. It debuted at number 7 on the Billboard 200 chart, and the album was produced by Crow herself. Career. Major works. To this date, Crow's hit single from the album Seaman Seaman in 2002, Soak Up the Sun, is considered to be her biggest single. It has her trademark country style peppiness and was at number 1 on the Billboard Adult Top 40 chart. Major works.